Hello friends, in this session I am going to demonstrate hierarchical inheritance in Java. So we have seen simple inheritance and multi-level inheritance in Java. So we know that multiple inheritance is not possible in Java, getting because of ambiguity. So it is not possible to have two super classes for single subclasses, getting, or it is not possible to have two parents for single child class. That is not allowed in Java. Multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java. Hierarchical inheritance is possible in Java. That is, one parent can have multiple children. So we'll see hierarchical inheritance in Java with the help of Java program. So see, this is nothing but hierarchical inheritance. So consider here A class is a parent class, B class and C class, these are the children's. So this is hierarchy. Getting, so here A class is acting as a parent class, and B and C, these are the children classes of A class. Getting, so B and C can acquire the properties of A class. So this is hierarchical inheritance. So let us see the Java program for same. So I am taking animal as my parent class, and see, there is a run method in animal class. So this is the property of animal class. Simply I'm printing there static message running. I'm taking simple example. So see, this is my parent class, and this animal class has run method as its a property. Then I'm taking second class as dog class. So this dog class is acting as a children or child class for animal. So dog is extending the property of animal. Okay, and dog is having its implementation bark. And I'm simply printing the static message that is barking here. Barking. Okay, and then I'm taking one more class, that is cat, also acting the child class of animal class. And this class has method meow, so it is one of the behavior of cat. Is I'm simply printing the behavior of cat, that is meowing. That is one of the what we can say, the function of cat. Then I'm having the hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so I'm simply giving the main class as inheritance demo. This is my main class, which has public static void main method. So there are three classes: animal class, cat, and then dog class. This one is my main class. So see, here there is hierarchical inheritance. Animal class is acting as a base class, and then dog and cat, they are acting as a children classes for animal. Okay, so see, dog and cat, they are acquiring the properties of animal. That means this run method can be can be called by object of dog and cat, along with their own methods. Okay, so let us see the output. First I will create the object of animal. So animal object can directly call its a run. This is possible. Now dog object can call bark method easily. dot bark. Now in addition to this, dog object can call run method of animal because it is extending the property of animal. Then cat object can call its own method meow. In addition to this, cat can call the method of animal. So here animal object is calling run method, it is its own property. Dog object is calling its own property, that is bark. In addition to bark, it can also call run method because dog is extending the property of animal. And third one is cat object is calling or accessing the its own method, that is meow. In addition to this method, it can also call the run method of animal. So this is what hierarchical inheritance. So let us see the output. Compile. Run. You are getting output. Run method call, it will printing running, then bark, this will print barking, then again running. Okay, running, barking, then running, and then the behavior of meow, that is meowing, this message will be printed, and then again running, so running will be printed. So this is nothing but hierarchical inheritance. Getting? So you can also have the hierarchy like this. You can also add here number of classes like this. You can also add classes like this. B can have also children like this, also possible. You can take children for B class. You can also take children class for C. So here see, if you consider this scenario A, B, D, then there will be multi-level inheritance. If you consider A, C, E, then there will be multi-level inheritance. So you can have any number of classes in hierarchical. This is also hierarchy. Okay, here also you can take B can have multiple children, C can have multiple children. That is also possible in hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so in Java, remember hierarchical inheritance is possible. Okay, in which we have one parent with multiple children classes, that is possible or that is allowed in Java. But multiple inheritance is not possible with the help of classes in Java. That is, we are having two parents for single children, so that is not allowed with the help of classes in Java. That is possible with the help of interface in Java. Okay, thank you.